Good morning children. In this class let's study about the new chapter which is addition up to 20. In the previous addition chapter we have learned the addition of first 10 numbers by drawing the lines, by crossing the lines and by counting forward and number line and different methods we have learned the addition. In this class let's study the numbers of the addition which is up to 20. In the first thing we have check what you know, you can solve that with the knowledge of the previous chapter of addition, right? Now in this class we will learn addition with the number 10, means counting 10. By considering the number 10, next we will add the numbers. Suppose we have to add the numbers like 9 plus 5. Instead of 9 plus 5 by counting forward, that is 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. That like we used to do that. Right? By counting forward, we used to do that. Instead of that, what we will do means, first we will take 9 lines. Here we have 9 and plus here we have 5. What I will do means, I will make a one bundle of 10. See here 9 are there. 9 plus 1 is 10. Here 9 with the 5 line 1 I will write it as a 10. Now 10 plus 4 is very easy to add, right? 10 with 4 we can write easily 14 without counting forward. Here what I am doing, I am making a bundle of 10 and we call that as bundle of 10. This one 10 we will call this as one bundle of 10. We are having one bundle of 10 with 4 single lines, right? 1, 1, 1 and 1. We will call those as ones. One bundle of 10. Here we have a bundle of 10 and with 4 single ones are there. 4 ones. You will get a number 14. We are taking a help of it. Bundle of 10 to add the numbers so that you can add very easily up to 20. And also you can do the same thing for about 20 also. We can make a bundle of 2 tens. I will show you an example. We can make a bundle of 2 tens. For suppose we need to add a number 15 plus 6. If we need to add a number of 15 plus 6, here first we have 15 lines. So let's draw 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plus 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I will do here, 15 plus 6 is there. I will do a bundle of tens. Here, one bundle of tens and again here 5 are left. With this 5, I will take one more. I will take 5 more from here. 5 more I have taken from number 6 and here 10. So we have one bundle and here we have 2 bundle of tens and extra we are left with 2. So 2 bundle of tens plus 1 ones. So 2 plus 1 we can write it as 21. 2 tens is nothing but 20 and 1 ones is nothing but 1. 20 plus 1 will be 21. Like this you can do even for the numbers after 20 also you can continue. But this chapter is having only up to 20. Means one bundle of 10 you can solve. So let's see the exercise. See the exercise number 1, we have count and add. We have count and add. First one we have is, they have given a picture of 10 sticks. 10 sticks, and how many are there? 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your 10 plus 5 will get 15, right? 10 sticks plus 5 sticks, we will get 15 sticks. So you can draw 15 lines here. Like this you need to add. Make a bundle of 10 and plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Second one is 10 plus 4. How much is 10 plus 4? It is 14, right? 14 you need to draw the lines. Similarly, you can do that. You can observe this 14, they have made a bundle. Okay, so you can draw a bundle with 5 sticks. Instead of these 10, they are doing a bundle like this. They are making a bundle of 10 sticks plus 5 sticks, right? I have done number of lines. Instead of that, you can do a bundle. Bundle of 10 plus 4 is 14. We'll see the one more. Third one. What is the third question? 10 plus 7. How much it will be? A bundle of 10 and 7, it is 17, right? 10 plus 7 will get 7. So finish up the next questions. It is also a similar way. Here also see count and add we have. Next make, here they are given directly number 10, but next they are not going to give number 10. As I did in the example, you need to make a group of 10 and then you need to add by yourself. So let's see how to make the group of number 10s. Exercise number 2. First main, add by making a group of 10. By making a group of 10. First number, we have number of stars. So 8 plus 3. Plus 3 stars is how many stars? They are asking, right? 8 plus 3. The number 8 plus 3. You can even count it by counting the forward. Instead of that, easy method is make the bundle of 10. Here 8 are there. For 8, we need to add plus 2 stars to make it as a 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Instead of 8 plus 3, you are making a bundle of 10, and how much is remaining? That number is added to number 10, right? And the second one is 4 plus 8. So 4 plus 8. Now make a bundle of 10. Number 10. See here, 4 are there. How much to be added with 4? We have to add 6. Right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of bundles here is 110. 10 plus 2. 10 and 2 stars are remaining. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 4 plus 8 answer is 12. Like this you need to make a bundle of that. We'll see next. We have these 9 plus 5. 9 stars. Plus 5 stars. What should be added to the 9? For 9, we need to add only 1 star. Right? 9 plus 1, it will be a bundle of 10. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 9 plus 5 is a 14. Like this you need to solve. And next is also same method. Instead of writing in a horizontal or a sleeping line, instead of writing in a sleeping line, you are writing in a vertical addition. Let's see the vertical addition. First main vertical addition they are saying 7 plus 5. Here also by yourself you need to draw a lines or you need to draw a circles. Instead of circles I will go with the straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 number, 7 lines. If you want you can even draw the circles. 5 number, 5 lines. Now make a bundle of which one? Bundle of 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 must be added. So 7 plus 3 is 10. We have done a bundle of 10. How many are remaining? 2 are remaining. 1 and 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Like this you need to solve. Second one is 5 plus 5. 5 is the number, so draw 5 lines. Again 5 lines. Now make a bundle of 10. As you know 5 plus 5 is 10. How many are remaining here outside the bundle of 10? Nothing is left out. So the answer is 10 itself. 5 plus 5 is 10. Like this you need to solve. Even in the second main. Exercise 4 also similar to this. Same questions in the exercise 4 also. Same 6 plus 5. Here also you need to draw the 6 lines and 5 lines. Now make a bundle. 5 plus 4. Here, so 6 plus 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It became a bundle of 10 and extra 1 is there. So the answer will be 11. It's similar to the exercise 11, similar to the exercise 3 only. Exercise 4 also continues. There in exercise 3 they have given the pictures, means circles, but in exercise 4 they didn't give. By yourself you need to draw the circles and you need to finish. So today I am stopping here in the exercise 4. The questions which are left out you can solve this. Okay children, I hope understood. Just draw the circles or lines after the number, make a bundle of 10 and add the numbers. Clear? See you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you children.